Now we're cooking with gas. Here's the inferno we were looking for. Julian, I want you to do a front flip over the flame. Let me see it. You can't. What do you mean you can't? You can do anything you put your mind to. You think it looks better on the phone than it does in real life? Really?
Yeah.
That's horrible, man. The fire looks amazing in real life. I wish the video would pick up all of the features. Who is that? Who is that? Sorry, fellas and ladies, we don't have marshmallows tonight. We're just trying to get rid of some old
chocolate?
side jobs. You know what I'm saying?
Chocolate?
Wink, wink.
You really don't have marshmallows?
Oh my God! Look at this fire. It's
Do you have
really
any stuff to
cooking.
make s'mores?
No.
Do you have any chocolate? Do you have chocolate?